guys, my cat is here. You guys have been wondering when he was gonna come to my apartment for so long, and honestly, I've been wondering the exact same thing because it's been like almost a year. But here he is in all of his glory. I don't actually know if he's gonna stay here for like a while, but he's here for the night. My mom dropped him off last night and he's kind of on panic mode because he's so not used to being here. If you guys remember, I brought him to my apartment like probably 4 months ago, and he stayed in my closet the entire time. He would not stop crying. He would not stop just bothering because he was so anxious. But my parents have been bringing him like once or twice a month since then, and he's become a lot more acquainted with the space, even though he's like on edge the entire time. Didn't wake me up throughout the night, and also guys, I had an amazing sleep, probably because I washed my sheets last night and they were just so fresh and clean. But 2 things to disclaim. 1, if you're looking at me and I look kind of weird, I have like 3 styes in one eye, and you may be thinking, how is that literally possible? But I had a sty in my eye like 5 months ago, and I low-key thought that it went away, but it actually never did. And then I found out I needed to get like surgery to take it out, and it wasn't like a big thing, it's just like a little slit and then they take out the excess. But I got another sty on the same eye, and now it's like super swollen, and maybe it doesn't look that bad, but when I'm like talking, I feel like my eye is smaller than the other one. Super awkward. But I woke up this morning at like 9, and I was gonna go to my workout class that starts at literally 9:30, and of course I didn't make it, so now I'm just like, this is awkward. I'm just wearing this Lululemon top with an aloe white sports bra, and these shorts are from Set Active. But in the meantime, we can do a little mini morning routine. I can't wear my contacts because obviously my eyes are like infected, so I feel like I can't see anything. Probably gonna walk to Equinox because it's a beautiful day today. Let me show you guys. It really is starting to feel like spring, and I could not be happier about it. He may or may not be on edge the entire time because I don't think he's ever seen buildings or heights. Let me show you. Last night I actually made banana bread, and you can definitely see I was in here last night eating it, but it turned out really great, and it was also super easy for me to make, so I can leave the recipe down below. But another thing that I made last night, and also, oh my gosh, my fridge is looking so stacked because thankfully my mom has been coming over recently to meal prep, and that is just so helpful. She just came the other day and made like soup, vegetables, chicken, salmon, rice, and now I just have so much food for the week. But one of the things I wanted to show you guys was that I made this yesterday. It's supposed to be chia pudding, although it's literally, I don't think it's ready yet because it's like still watery. And I think if you can kind of see, the bottom is a little bit more stuck. I think it's supposed to look like that. We've got some lemon water for us. It looks kind of scary with all the pulp inside. So it turns out the yoga class I was gonna do ran out of space, so I booked a Pilates class which is at 12, and I'm gonna eat. I'm actually TMI, but I'm about to get my period soon, and that means I'm in my luteal phase. I've been really into the cycles, and in your luteal phase it's like right before you get your period and your energy starts to dip, and basically you could definitely use a lot more energy, and so I'm really hungry. I think I'm just gonna make a good healthy breakfast right now. I feel like it'll wake me up because I just feel a little bit sluggish, and again, I think it's just because it's before my period, but I think having a good healthy just like filling meal will have me energized for the Pilates class. I think I'm gonna make eggs. I'm kind of obsessed with them. It's literally such a beautiful day today. I feel so bad leaving my cat at home, but hopefully he'll be fine. Oh, I'm excited. We're gonna do a Pilates fusion class, which I've never done before. I think it's like mat Pilates. And then I might get coffee after because I'm so freaking tired. Like I told you, I just feel like kind of slightly a walking zombie, but this sun is revitalizing me. The workout, I did the sauna as well, so my face is like really red right now, but I'm going to go into a coffee shop and get a little latte before I head back home. Okay, I'm officially home. Let's go see how my cat is doing. It's only been like 2 hours, but I feel bad that I've left him here, so. Mishu, 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 Mishu. Hello! Are you mad at me? I feel so bad. Hello, little guy. Hello. So sad without me. He needs a friend so bad. I really wish I could get a second cat, but my parents say that I shouldn't. And now we're back home. It's such a beautiful day. I have so much work to do though. I feel like I'm always like, my manager texted me like in all my videos, but for real, my manager texted me. I think I might be dyslexic low-key because I had a sponsorship and they gave me all this feedback. And so I did it, I sent it back. Turns out I didn't read half the page and like there was a whole other page with more things that I had to do and I didn't read that. So they're like, you need to fix this right now. And I'm like, dude, I'm at the sauna. So I had to like scurry over here and that's what I gotta do right now. I also have a video to hand in, so I just have to do some work. Although I literally am sweating. Like it's a sunny day outside, it is hot. So I'm gonna wear like some shorts, a little top, and just get to work. We are situated in the work setup. Got our lemon chlorophyll water and we've got our coffee. Stressing me out. My chia seed pudding is not pudding. I think this is what it's supposed to look like. Been a minute. It's literally 5 p.m. right now, but the sun is shining. I look crazy right now because my makeup is falling off, but you guys just saw I went to go get my nails done. It was such a spur of the moment. I just booked it and went, but they turned out so cute. I'm obsessed, and now it's giving me inspiration to live the rest of this day as a very spring day. I'm gonna shower because I didn't shower this morning. Okay, I showered, I did my makeup. I was gonna go out and explore the world, go shopping, but I got a very exciting email and I don't want to tell you guys yet because it's like a very crazy opportunity. 2 emails actually. I got one really crazy sponsorship opportunity for Coachella and one really crazy opportunity for a brand trip for I don't even want to spoil it yet, in May, to travel somewhere super exciting. I'm gonna give you a hint, it's in Europe. I can't even believe that I'm saying that right now, and honestly it's left me in kind of shambles for the past like 3 hours. Like I actually haven't been able to leave my house because I've been like overthinking and stressing and just like texting my parents, texting my boyfriend, texting my friends. I'm just like, what the hell is happening? I almost debated not finishing this vlog because I'm like, I literally just wasted 3 hours on my phone overthinking and just feeling so overwhelmed and like excited and grateful and crazy that I didn't even vlog anything. But it's literally 8 p.m. now. I think I'm gonna make some dinner just because I keep snacking on the most random things and I think I should have an actual meal. So I've been looking at the fridge to see what kind of food we have, and honestly I have these. These are buckwheat soba noodles. I've never made anything with this before. You can kind of see there, but I'm thinking I'm gonna make some sort of like noodle dish. I actually have bok choy, so we can make some veggies as well. I just need to like gather my thoughts right now. I feel very overwhelmed, but if the background of my kitchen is messy, let's just not mind that. But usually what I do when I want to cook something that I don't know how to cook is I'll search up on TikTok. There is always so many videos and it's like really easy instructions. So I'm obsessed with doing that. I'm just gonna pick like the first one that I find. I'm gonna put on a jacket and then head over to the grocery store. I'm back. Okay, let me give you a little haul because I bought a little bit more than what I actually needed. Starting off with 2 yerba mates because tomorrow I'm filming my podcast and you know what that means. We need energy, and I love me some yerba mates, so that's what we got. Also got what we actually needed, which was the rice vinegar as well as sesame oil. I think I was also supposed to buy sesame seeds, but I couldn't find them. I was lazy. It just didn't happen. It's okay. I also bought a Kinder Bueno chocolate, which I just ate. And then I bought some Greek yogurt, honey. This is one of my favorite Greek yogurts ever. It's delicious. And I bought this because I have so many berries and I need to eat them. And I think doing little yogurt parfaits is my favorite way. And then last thing I bought was some eggs because I finished them. Oh, let me show you 2 more things. The first thing is I bought this super cute pink water bottle. It's by the brand Wellness. It's like a knockoff Stanley mug, and honestly I don't really care. The Stanley is like $100 for a water bottle and this was $25, so she's cute. I like her. And I also bought these cute little placemats. I feel like these are perfect for spring. They're actually reversible. We've got like a mint green checkered side and then a flower side. So I'm obsessed with these, and I feel like I really want to do an Easter like dinner or something this week. Literally Easter's this week, can you believe it?
I could sit around and wait all day. You lay easy on my mind.
Okay, this is what my dinner ended up looking like. Low-key, I don't know if I did the noodles correctly. For some reason, I feel like the noodles ended up kind of like getting sludgy, if that makes sense. Like they just kind of clumped together. So I don't know how appetizing it looks, but like it's not bad. But at the same time, I feel like it's gonna make my stomach hurt. I made some bok choy on the side. I absolutely love bok choy. And if this isn't a vegetable that you regularly eat, I highly recommend it because it's so good for you and it tastes delicious. I always cook it with like lemon and tahini on top. I'm gonna put Netflix on. A few days ago, I actually just watched The Social Dilemma for the first time with my boyfriend, which is like the movie about how Facebook is made, which Mark Zuckerberg, kind of sketchy. I feel like he scares me. He's trying to take over like TikTok and Meta, and you know what? That's a whole different story, but the movie was really good. So if you haven't watched it, I highly recommend it because I honestly really enjoyed it, and I don't even like movies. But yeah, I'm trying to think of what else I've been watching, but honestly, you guys know I've been watching One Tree Hill for way too long, and the thing is, it's just taken me forever because I watch it so slowly. It is 1:30 a.m. I am so tired. I'm gonna go to bed soon. I'm sorry that this vlog was kind of short, but hopefully you guys liked it anyways. I'm gonna do some self-tanning before I go to bed though. Obviously brush my teeth, do all the night routine stuff, and get ready for bed. This is the new self-tanner that I recently got. It is called Tan Luxe, the face and body one. And I just mixed this in with my Vaseline and spread this all over my body. Also, just like a skincare favorite, I've been loving this product. It is the Botanicals Ginger Turmeric Cleansing Balm. It is just a cleansing balm to remove your makeup. And last favorite, it's literally empty, but the Ordinary Multi-Peptide Serum for Hair Density. This product is so good for hair growth, as well as their Ordinary Lash and Brow Serum. I use these religiously and they've helped me so much. Good night, guys.